will talk about how can you fix this problem on your Sonic pop up. So all you have to do is just click here on settings here. When you click here on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down here, just keep going down. Then you click here on apps. Come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Sonic Bomb Up, or just click here on search. Then here at Sonic Bomb Up, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to show for you this like this here. Click here on for stop. Then you click here on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do is so you just restart your phone and storage again. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.